the polynomial is factorized but into two equal parts. Here two distinct linear factor, here two distinct equal linear factor. Okay, so when polynomial in general form ax square plus bx plus c is factorizable into two equal or same, you can say same linear factors. Okay, हाँ, तो बताइए parabola will cut 2 points or touches at 1 point? Yes, 1. There will be two cases, you know. This will be the graph and it will touch like this. This is the vertex and parabola is given by ax square plus bx plus c and a is greater than 0 because parabola open upwards. Okay, what is the coordinate of the vertex? Minus b by 2a comma minus d by 4a. Now there will be another parabola which will look like this. This is the origin, y dash x dash, this is the vertex, the topmost point, and it is given by minus b by 2a comma minus d by 4a, and the polynomial is given by f of x which is equals to y which is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Where what is a? A is less than or greater than? Less than 0. Okay. So there are two cases. Okay, when a is greater than 0, open upward. There are two more cases in open upward. It will look like this or it will look like this. Okay. Now, if a is less than 0, it will open. Oh, sorry. यहाँ पे हाँ ठीक है, यहाँ पे a का वैल्यू 0 से बड़ा है, यहाँ पे छोटा है. यहाँ पे हमको ध्यान से देखना था. There are two distinct linear factors. There is only there are two linear factors, but the factors are same. Okay, this is the second case. Now, what is the third case? When the polynomial is not factorizable, जब उसका फैक्टर नहीं कर सकते. ओके, और कैसे पता करते हैं कि फैक्टर नहीं कर पाते हो? आप फटाक से क्या निकालते हो? डी कहीं नेगेटिव आ रहा होगा तो छोड़ दीजिए उसे. ओके, हाँ, तो ये रब कर दूं मैं फर्स्ट केस. हाँ, तो ये आपका जो है आपको बिल्कुल भी लर्न होना चाहिए. ये केसेस, इस पे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कुछ. टिक मार्क आपको दिया होगा, बताना होगा कितने जीरोस हैं. ओके, तो थर्ड केस, व्हेन द parabola b of x is given by ax square plus bx plus c is not factorizable. Okay, if the parabola is not factorizable, again there will be two cases. Okay, first is it will look like this. So this is not touching the x-axis. Okay, and y is given by what? ax square plus bx plus c. कोई दिक्कत है? And here the value of a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. Means d is negative. D is negative, and you know that the vertex coordinate of the vertex is given by minus b of 2a comma minus d of 4 d by 4a. Okay, the other case is parabola will look like this. This is the x dash, y dash. ये ऐसा दिखेगा आपको. ये क्या है? वर्टेक्स. कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे? माइनस b by 2a कॉमा माइनस d by 4a. को दिक्कत है? और parabola is given by ax square plus bx plus c and a is less than 0 because it opens downward, and also here d is less than 0, that is d is नेगेटिव. तो ये आपका इस तरीके से हम क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल के ग्राफ प्लॉट करते हैं. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो ओके, ठीक है.